Types of fiction.
Here are some great stories that make reading a pleasure. Bram Stoker's famous novel, Dracula, tells the chilling story of a group of friends who are hunted by an evil vampire. The author was inspired by a visit to the town of Whitby, North Yorkshire in the UK. The eerie ruins of Whitby Abbey gave him so many ideas that he set part of his novel in the town. Zero K by Don DeLillo is a novel about living forever. People are frozen and kept in an enormous underground laboratory called the Convergence on the steppes of Kazakhstan. However, living forever might sound wonderful, but the people in the Convergence aren't really living. They are frozen, and time for them stretches eternally like the steppe. But like the steppe, it is empty. Few books are more well known than J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings. This epic tale is set in a fictional land called Middle-earth. Tolkien used the whole of Europe for his creation. The pleasant green landscape of the Shire was inspired by the countryside of southern England. The enormous forest of Mirkwood and the misty mountains are where the real Ural Mountains are, on the border between Europe and Asia. And the desolate land of Mordor is somewhere in the Balkans. Why not explore these great books for yourself?